Hello friends! Today I'm going to draw a giraffe and a fox. They are best friends and love playing together. Let's start with the giraffe, big eyes and long neck. Now the fox, look at his fluffy tail. Yay! We did it! So cute! If you liked it, give a big thumbs up and draw with me again.